sipping beer, taking oxygen from this stress. I confess I'm a mess. Can we define success?
All right, guys, so what I've got going on here is I've got a 1/2 inch non-bearing guided milling bit here on my pin router, and I'm getting this to the final depth on the top side, and then it's time to start working on the back side. So this is my next step. I'll bring you back after I've got it routed out and show you where we're at. All right, guys, so I took it on my pin router. I've got this to 1 13/16 inch depth, which actually I went a little bit over that, but that's all right. But I used my Forstner bit to kind of mark out where I needed to go for depth-wise. So anyway, next step will be I'll be routing up here, like underneath the pickup pocket and the top of the guitar, and then back in here for the ferrule, or for the bottom of the bridge to stick through, and I will see you at that point. Just kind of doing a little test fit to make sure I've got the width and everything right. Obviously, I mean, the templates give you the correct width, but I always like to double check and triple check and quadruple check. But you kind of get an idea. It's just sitting on top. This whole spring system will be up underneath the middle part of the guitar here, which has to be routed out. But you get an idea of what it's going to look like. All right, guys, so what we've got here now is obviously a drill bit and this exact center punch. So what I had to do was go up in the pocket on the front side and mark the corners exactly where they go with this exact center punch. This is a 1/2 inch outside diameter, so you stick it in that direct corner there on the other side, and it'll be straight up and down, and you get your exact center. Then you use the provided, I think it's 3/16 drill bit to drill through, and then you flip the guitar over. You use your center punch again to mark where the corners are. It is really weird how, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked, but it is really weird how like the sawdust that's sticking on the tape makes it look like it's on my hand also. Anyway, you use this punch and draw the corners out. Then you measure here between to find exact center. So what I did was I took a measurement with my caliper using the outside diameter. Then I cut that in half, and I'll set it up here and show you. I think it's still set. So there I hit my center line there, and I hit my center line there. So we've got sorry, I had a phone glitch or camera glitch, but anyway, we've got our center line and marked it in between the two holes, so I have center there. So that gives us where we're going to put the next template, which is, sorry, this one here, which is G2X. And so then I will use my corner marks to get this centered up and put it, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it. There's a line here that I'll have to line up with exact center. So I'll use double face tape this down, and then I will start by routing this hole, and then we will go from there. To end this episode here, and we will continue on and finish it off tomorrow and do the install and everything that we need to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.